Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel Naija News and Entertainment. I've got an interesting gist for you today. Still on the Ultimate Love reality TV show, I'll be revealing to you the Ultimate Love couple's biggest fights. The love couples are feeling the strain of staying over 1 month in Aunty's love pad. We have seen some couples throw tantrums, crying, fight. Notwithstanding all this, they know the reason why they are there. The pair is there to win the ultimate prize, so they understand the need to put in the work towards their relationship. Last week, we saw our love guests work through whatever differences they had in the hopes of making it work. Coincidentally, the theme of last week was making it work, and it was beautiful to see the Love house guests ride their storms in the hope of finding the one true love. Jello. No other couple had it as rough as Jello in the house, as Louis was ready to call it quits with the exact word, "I don't think this would work." This comes after the couple had a lot of arguments that stemmed from miscommunication. Louis was seen mentioning to Teresa that he's tired of fighting but is willing to make it work. From the looks of the situation, it seems that they are still trying to work through their issues. Ultimate Love couple Presh David. For those who just started watching this show, it will be hard to explain that these two couples just started dating 3 weeks ago. We have probably seen it all with them, and the dynamics of their relationship is a joy to watch because they are ready to fight for each other. Even after their heated argument over Gary, it wasn't long before they found their way back to each other's hands. Ultimate Love couple Obiabi. There are no other couple in the house who are more different than Obichukwu and Ibiteyin. And for some reason, they are still together fighting through it all. Their constant argument and fight are a testament to how different they both are. The last fight they had on Saturday was the biggest one they have had in the love pad, with Obichukwu angry that his woman was behaving unlike a lady. After spending hours trying to understand their differences, it wasn't long before they are back to being Obiabi in the love pad. And what better birthday present than having the one you love praying over your life on your birthday? Priceless. Ultimate Love couple Risa. This ship was rocked last Friday in a way that would have ended a lot of relationships, but Ike and Teresa are still strong. It is a testament to their love. As we saw, not even an ex can be a threat to this couple. However, as Ike has said, if the relationship didn't break you, it's no use revisiting it. And after they spoke about it again, it's all systems go for them, and they are still going strong. Yeah guys, this is the biggest fight in the Ultimate Love house between the couples on the show. So guys, stay tuned to this channel for more updates on Ultimate Love. And if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notifications when the story drops.